Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, it's not only the first, not even the second, but a third appearance. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package. If I'm not mistaken, I got this from the biscuit store. It's a purchase of mine, and there's been a bit of a misunderstanding about this package because I received an email from my consolidator, which is Buy and Ship. Shout out, by the way, that a package arrived in the online warehouse or in the US warehouse that I have not claimed. Okay. So I was wondering what that package is because I haven't received any email from my usual stores that I order, okay, including the biscuits shop, okay, of items delivered. Okay, so meaning no tracking number and whatnot. Okay, but through examination and a little bit of investigation, finally, okay, I was able to coordinate with the Whiskid shop, and they mentioned it contains my purchase of, let's see, oh, purchase of Iconics Xmen first appearance. Okay, and then we have here Sherlock Holmes. Okay, and we have Battle Gnome. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so actually, there's a bit of a story behind the X-Men first appearance. So this one is probably this is for me, for Kips. It's my third time receiving this item. Okay, the first one I think I got from WizKids. Second one, and then I sold that and then bought another one, and then I sold the second one, and now I bought a third one. Okay, so I can also sell it, but if not, then that's totally fine because I'll be keeping them as well for my own personal collection. Okay, the first appearance, X-Men. So you can look at our channel. There's an unboxing video of this set. Okay, so Sherlock Holmes in this case is a freebie. I wouldn't say freebie, but it's a 25th anniversary of WizKids. Okay, so this is a heavily discounted item, okay, that I got together with the first appearance X-Men. I actually sold my old one, because I already have this. I already sold it. So this one, I don't know if I can sell it because it's already rotating to silver. But if not, then again, I'll probably keep it for my silver games. And then of course, $50 or more get you a Battle Gnome. Okay, so Christmas is coming up. This will be a good display piece, or what you call this, an item in the Christmas tree. So anyway, that's it for this quick video. Okay, so I'm happy that I was able to get some of the pieces that I sold off and back to my collection. So what do you guys think? Share your thoughts on the comments, and until the next video, bye!